Sgt. Pepper on and most of our Beatles stuff, and I would plug into the back of it a microphone, get a guitar, play a bit, plug in another one. So it was very homemade.
Just overdubbing yourself, so you'd lay a track down, then put another one on.
Yeah, I'd normally just do a bit of drums, thinking, oh, this is how it goes. And then I'd stick a bit of guitar on it, a bit of bass.
It's a great album. It does sound in a way like a set of demos. Was there a sense of musical liberation because you didn't have to answer to 3 other people, because you could do exactly what you wanted to?
I mean, we all pretty much did what we wanted to in the Beatles. There wasn't a lot of sort of fighting about stuff, so it wasn't too much that. It was just really something to do to get over the shock of not being in the Beatles.
In 7 miles, keep to the right.
I'd either been in Quarrymen, the Silver Beatles, or the Beatles, and then suddenly I was in nothing. So it was like, okay.
I guess there were songs on there that probably would have made it onto Beatles albums if you'd stayed. Maybe I'm Amazed is a case in point. Is you can hear that as a Beatles tune. It is the amazement of the power of love, isn't it?
One of the lucky things after the Beatles broke up was that I'd found Linda. So the two of us had this bond that could fight the world. Baby, I'm afraid of the way I love you. And in writing that song, I was trying to get my feelings about, maybe I'm amazed at the way you pulled me out of time, pulled me on a line and stuff. I was just trying to get my feelings into that song.
Look that high from the side, but it's quite a long way up when you're on it.
It's beautiful, no? Is it Thames River?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.